Electronic Technology Incorporated was started its operation in 1972 as Alexan Commercial. Throughout these years, it supplied electronic components, equipment, tools, kits to the educational and industrial sector of the local market. The company believes in the talents of Filipino engineers. 20 years ago, we have already partnering with various different government agencies and produced products like the gray moisture meter, the digital multimeter, the taximeters. And one of the successful products we partnering with is with ASTI of DOST, which is the Remote Data Acquisition Unit, or simply ARQ. This unit is an ARQ unit. At the bottom of it, it has several connectors to be connected to the input sensors or the output devices such as the siren. This is an ultrasonic sensor for water level measurement, and this is a rain gauge sensor to measure the amount of rainfall. And they can combine together depends on the function, like this one at the back. This is a semi-completed unit. The ARQ is placed in this compartment for waterproof or weatherproof. And inside this rain gauge, inside this ARQ unit, it has internal battery, and it can be supplemented by the solar panel, which also reduce the dependency on the internal battery. The data gathered from the sensors was recorded at a very regular time interval and transmitted to the central server, which the data can be used by the stakeholders like the weather forecasters, the farmers, and others. We are very thankful for ASTI for inviting Ace Electronics into this project ever since its inception. During the prototyping and the pre-commercialization period, we saw already how helpful are the data gathering by this data logger, the ARQ unit, to mitigate calamities and reduce the damages. And since Philippines has a long history of calamities annually, we think the market of this will be great for the company. And that's why we decided to license this product. And we also, as a company, we are very proud of the talents of Philippine engineers, especially these locally designed engineers. So we are committed to help and partner with our government agencies in the future endeavor.
I'm Lester Jan Ditaya, owner, proprietor of Jarka Construction and Supply. I would like to discuss you the history of our company. 6 years since its establishment, Jarka Construction has continued to provide innovative, sustainable, and top-quality construction services in the Philippines. We are growing at a rapid pace and are continuously leading the innovation of architecture design, construction in the engineering and architectural sectors. We are deeply committed to living up to our tagline, building visions, creating reality, because we believe that placing our clients' interests before our very own is a valued service that uphold integrity, honor, and trust that we are pleased to embody. We made this possible through the combination of an open relationship with our employees and clients while providing them top-of-the-line quality services with the application of the latest technologies in our projects. It is our goal to deliver the highest quality services to our clients, ensuring that they are being served by the most qualified know-hows and best workers in the field. Our mission is to help customers fulfill their dream of owning sophisticated and technologically advanced equipment and structures allowing us to further strive for growth and innovation. We, the Jarka Construction Company, believe that we can be your most valuable and most trusted partners in building your dreams. We do not go for standard outputs, we go beyond it. Jarka Construction will continue to provide value-driven, exemplary services, not just for our own growth, but for you as well. I would like to introduce Joseph Rodriguez, our head of the Technology Department.
I'm Joseph Rodriguez, head of Technology Department of Jarka, and we are applying for the 3 technologies from DST STI. One is the automated range gauge, 2 the tandem station, and the third is the water monitoring level or water level monitoring station. So these are the 3 technologies that Jarka wanted to apply in your good office, because we find the good opportunities of these times of disaster crisis in the Philippines, and we are engaging with different levels of LGUs in Mindanao and Visayas, and these opportunities that the DST STI has been given to Jarka to become a licensee on your technologies is a great help for our brothers and sisters here in Mindanao and Visayas who are always victims from the different disasters coming every year in the Philippines, like typhoons, earthquake, and storm surge.
Thank you, DOST for giving us the opportunity to apply the license and opportunity for us to deliver our services. God bless you.